First up in your creator kit is your tripod. Now, this may seem simple, but it is foundational when it comes to professional content. Think of it like your content's stable anchor. So why is it so important? Well, it eliminates shaky video instantly. No more wobbly videos that will end up distracting your audience. Using a tripod also ensures that your framing is consistent across all of your different takes, making your content look more polished and thoughtfully produced. Setting up your tripod is a breeze. First, you're going to want to extend all 3 legs by pulling them towards you, and you'll hear a clicking sound when they fully engage. Next, you want to attach your device to the top thread here. You can use the webcam that we provided, the light source we provided, or if you have a phone mount, you can also attach that here as well if you wanted to use your smartphone. After your device is attached, you can also adjust the height further by loosening each of the ends and pulling and locking them back in place. As you can see, there are multiple heights that you can use for this tripod, but when you have the desired height and your device is attached, you can then start filming. One pro tip when it comes to adjusting the height, you want to have your camera at eye level. This will create a natural, engaging angle for your viewers. If you want to pack and collapse your tripod, for the legs, all you need to do is pull this red tab down, hold it down while you collapse each of the legs. And you're done. Having a stable video allows your audience to purely focus on your message as opposed to a wobbly video. Now that you're perfectly stable, let's move on to making your video crystal clear using your brand new webcam.